Fixing the CS8081 build error in C# MAUI, expression does not have a name. Understanding the CS8081 build error in MAUI. When building a C# MAUI application, you might encounter a series of errors like. These errors often appear in auto-generated source files related to XAML pages, for example in paths like. The errors can appear multiple times in the same file and on different platforms, example Windows and Android. The generated files causing the error may not even exist on disk, as they are created during compilation. What causes CS8081? This error is typically triggered by invalid X name attributes in your XAML files. Key cause: using an invalid name for an element's X name attribute, such as starting it with a number or naming it purely as a number. For example, this is invalid, but this is valid. The compiler and source generators in MAUI expect element names to follow C# identifier rules, which means names cannot begin with digits. Names must be valid C# identifiers. Because these generated code files depend on these names, invalid names cause the CS8081 error. How to fix the CS8081 error? Review your XAML files for any elements with X name attributes. Ensure all X name values are valid C# identifiers. Start with a letter or underscore. Only contain letters, digits, or underscores. Rename any names starting with digits or invalid characters. After correcting the names, clean and rebuild your project to regenerate the source-generated files without errors. Additional tips: deleting the /bin and /obj folders can help clean old generated code, but only after fixing the invalid names. Avoid naming conflicts and reserved keywords in X name attributes. If unsure, stick to simple alphanumeric names starting with letters. Summary: the CS8081 error in MAUI projects during build is often caused by invalid X name attributes in XAML elements, especially those starting with numeric characters. Ensuring all X name values conform to valid C# identifiers fixes the issue and allows the project to compile successfully. Keep your XAML element names clean and valid to avoid similar source generator errors.